guys, come on in. Is my closet. Now with my closet, I have a lot of clothes, okay? When we first moved in, everyone thought that all my clothes wasn't gonna fit into my closet, but it does. To be fair though, I didn't bring everything and I didn't put everything in here, but I brought majority of my clothes, like all my favorite stuff, in the closet and it fits. It's just a little crowded, but it's all good. So first thing off is obviously the mirror, which is so nice because I didn't have that at home, and you know, just being able to take selfies is very nice in it and stuff, and just making sure that I look decent enough to go out, you know, in school where all the cute boys and stuff are, because you know that's why we go to school, to check out the cute boys, you know. Okay, and here's my closet. It looks very messy, but actually it's not. It's just because of how stuffed it is. Down there are my shoes. The reason those two ones on the floor is because those are the ones I wear the most. And I haven't worn these little puppies yet, but these are my new boots. They're so cute. I got them on sale. I plan on wearing them. Megan got salty at me, salty/sassy. She's like, it's not boot season. It's still summertime. Girl, it's almost fall. And then up here, I keep empty hangers. I do my laundry, whenever I have clean laundry, I just put the hangers back on the clothing and stick it back over here. Over here, when Megan gave me my birthday present, she put it in here, so I keep that in here, and it's super cute. I haven't figured out what to put in there yet, but when I do, there's one there. And then on this side, this side's a little messy, but you know it's all good. Here is just some shopping bags, because you know your girl likes to shop, and those are just ones I can use for something else, like a toy bag and stuff like that. Over here is most of my jeans and my longer shirts. This has my bathing suit in it, and then this one has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all my clothing in there. Over here is just like stuff I don't have a spot for yet, so we're just gonna keep it there and not look at it. But so far it's been doing a pretty good job. I haven't had to think about my outfit too much besides today. Today was like a very long day, but we're gonna talk about it. So yeah, that's the way that is. The next thing you hit is this drawer thing. Now originally this was supposed to go underneath my desk, but I didn't do the math correctly, and so it was too tall. Over here is just another shopping bag, my purse. And then here is my palettes and my makeup stuff. So like this is what I use to put my hair back, to keep it on my face. Here is my extra. Here is my extra makeup. Another palette, some stuff I just didn't have room out there. I swear it was neat when I first got it. You can ask my friend Elise. She was getting frustrated with me. And here is my hair cap, because I sleep with a hair cap next to mess my braids up. A pineapple purse for some stuff in there. And here is some makeup wipes that I haven't opened yet. And then you come over to my desk. Nothing too special, just an area for me to do homework and stuff. This is my Sims computer. I don't actually do homework on it. I have one that I do homework, and I have one that I edit videos, and homework and all that stuff, and this one's my Sims one. My other laptop is in my bag for school because I haven't taken it out yet. Up here, I have a water bottle. I drink a lot of water, so I like to have one next to me in my bed when I go to sleep and stuff, or when I do homework. There's no stuff in there. Let's see. This is the present that Megan made me for my birthday. It's super cute. It has like all these different memories in there and stuff. It's super cute. And then I have another water bottle here because, like I said, I like to drink water. Open makeup wipes. This is homemade bug spray that my mother made me because I'm allergic to bugs. So whenever I go outside, I make sure to spray myself with this. A cute little stapler to staple those papers. And here, this is super cute. It's a cute little pineapple vase, and I think originally you're supposed to put flowers in there, but instead I put pencils in there just in case I needed them. And then over here is my makeup mirror. It's super cute. I got it for like 15 bucks at Ulta. You just tap it. Okay, well, it's not going to work right now, but usually it's not a battery, it's just a little sensitive, but overall she works pretty well. And then in here is my makeup brushes, all of my makeup brushes I use on a daily basis, plus my eyebrow pencil. Then you come up here, and here's this lovely card that Megan gave me. I asked her for a man with a six-pack, and she delivered. And then right here is a 2018 sign that I think is super cute. I got it because I graduated in 2018. And then this was originally supposed to go on my door, but you can't hang stuff on the door, so I just put it right here. It says, "Welcome to Paradise." Right here is a graduation poster because, like I said, graduation picture because, like I said, I graduated in 2018, so I want to hang it and show all my accomplishments. Up here is two of my yearbooks. This is 2018, and this one's 2014, I think. 15. This is 2015. And then this is a picture of all my friends from work when we went to Crazy Pins. These are more some pictures of my favorite pictures from graduation. And over there is my sign that I got from my work. I thought it was really cute, and I got originally supposed to go over my bed, but I actually like it right there, so I'm gonna keep it there. This is just a little cute sign that says "Girl Power" because we need to stay fierce and strong and girls together and all that jazz. Over here is my laundry basket. You know, originally I thought it was going to be too small when I saw it come in the mail, but it's actually been pretty well. Every week it fills up with stuff, and every week it gets empty. So yeah. Here is my blinds. I absolutely hate my blinds. I call on the daily. I'm like, "Megan, come help me with my blinds." See, look, it gets stuck. No. Over here, this is where the magic happens, JK. Over here is my bed. It has pineapples and the bedspread is pineapples and flowers, and like have a Hawaiian theme. Funny story about this, okay? This is called a duvet. Now, when I was looking up for bedspreads for the dorm, okay, I typed in bed covers, comforters, that's what I typed in. I typed in bed comforters, and this one pops up, and it says a duvet. And I text Megan, I'm like, "What's a duvet?" And she's like, "I don't know." And so she Googled it. She's like, "I think it's something like a comforter, like, but just enough fancy words." Like, okay. So I ordered this thing, and inside it comes like it's a really small package. I'm like, how does a whole comforter fit in this? I'm confused. So I open it, and to see this thing, super gorgeous, right? Comes with the pillowcases and everything, but it's a bed sheet with a zipper on it, and I'm so confused. I'm like, I don't understand. So it turns out you have to put like a blanket or something in there on top, so like it covers the comforter, or you put some stuffing in there, right? And then later on, I was talking to my friend Elise, right? And I was like, "Girl, I'm so mad. I ordered this duvet thing, and it's just a piece of crap because it's like empty. It's like a bed sheet with a zipper on it." She's like, and Elise is up here being all fancy, right? And she's like, "Give me a duvet." This whole time, it is a really funny story. So that's like a joke to us now. But I have two pillows. I only usually use one, so. And then underneath, it is a reversible one. On the other side, it says like oranges and stuff. I don't understand the point, but you know, whatever. I have my two bunnies, because bunnies are my favorite animal. Those are my two stuffed animals I sleep with. Yes, I still sleep with animals. Yes, I am a freshman in college, and I still have stuffed animals to sleep with. Over here, I got these pictures from Walmart. They're super, super cute. They're like different traveling places. So they're like, there's the Eiffel Tower. I don't know where anything else of these are at, but they're really cute. So up here are some lights. They are not plugged in because, as you can see, I don't have a extension cord for them. But these ones I got from Five Below. They're obviously under $5. They're super, super cute. And then, no, these ones I got from Walmart. These ones I got from Five Below. And they're little pineapples because your girl likes pineapples. Up here is a light, obviously. Oh, you want to know something really annoying? So behind you are two light switches. They're connected to every single outlet here. And so when you turn one of them off, like for example, when you turn the one with the fan off, so you either have the fan on or you have that on, unless you go up here and switch it off and off, but whatever. Over here, this made it look like a big mess of clothing, which it is. These are all the clothing that I've maybe worn once or twice, or the pajamas, something I can wear again and be fine. Like, that's dirty stuff, like for dirty clothes and stuff. This isn't quite dirty, if that makes any sense. You know that shirt that you've only worn for like 10 seconds, like go get the mail or something, or you didn't wear that shirt all the way, and it's still clean? This is my spot for it. Over here is a salt lamp, which is really cute. I do turn it off when I go to sleep though, because the like light bothers me. And here is some bags and an extra towel when I'm done showering, and that one's dirty. So there's that. And over here is my last couple of decorations. This one's a shadow box that says hello with a pineapple. This one is a sign that Megan made, and Megan's making this face at me because she didn't want me to point this out, but I'm going to. Megan made this for my birthday or Christmas, one of the two, I forget. And it's super cute. But let's see if you guys can find the mistake. Let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend. It's love and never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some and live while we're young. So, tell me where in the comments, where did Megan make this mistake at? Where did Megan make the mistake? Oh, okay. You know, me and Megan have fun here. I'm going to insert a video of me scaring Megan. It is literally hilarious. Like, she completely jumped. Megan!
Oh my god, Segin, don't do that!
I hid it in her closet. It's pure gold. And this one is Friday, my second favorite F word. And if you guys would like to know my first one, it's French fries. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more from me and Megan. Also, comment down below where Megan made that mistake at. And if you would like to see any more video ideas, if you have any video ideas for me or Megan, lay them down in the comments below. Also, if you want to see the rest of the apartment, go ahead and just click the link down below in the description box and you can watch that. Alright, I'll also link Megan's room tour down below because she also did one as well. So, I'll see you guys next time, and remember, don't be afraid to be yourself. Bye.